Dear, wouldn't you be interested if I'm telling you today that there is an unknown secret strategy that can help your business survive and grow stronger during this COVID-19 pandemic? Psst, please come closer. Let me reveal the magic to you. Before we reveal the answer, I would like to say a big thank you for supporting this video on the channel. If you are running a small medium-sized business, please stay watching to the end. So now, what is the secret? Oh well, I'm sorry if the truth may disappoint you, as I also wish to have the magic to turn things right in a finger click like Thanos. But the next nearest thing to a business secret magic is marketing. Oh, wait. I believe some of you may start moving away your browser to click on the close button on this page or start switching to another video. You must be thinking that this person must be a total buffer, just wasting your time by clickbaiting. But if you are following news and mainstream media, many business advice focuses on cost controlling and practicing a lean and frugal defensive strategy during this challenging period. I believe some of your companies may have started reducing headcount, restricting expenses, cutting down various department budgets since last year when the pandemic started. And now this video is asking us to pour in more money in marketing. But please pause a second and think reverse like a contrarian. The more other fearful business owners are out there, will it also mean that the less competitive the market is now when all other businesses are entering defensive mode and hibernating all their previous expansion plan? So this may be the perfect time when you stand a higher chance of growing your business by focusing on bold marketing strategies. If you have not paid enough attention to marketing sector before this, perhaps this is the best time to focus on this, while some of your other business competitors may still be neglecting this. This is a YouTube channel for hungry sharks like you and me. I'll share some of my in-depth learning and marketing findings from both offline to offline marketing strategies, including social marketing, content marketing, direct marketing, brand marketing, digital marketing, email marketing, copywriting, and lots more. We will go through this exciting marketing journey together, where you may find simple yet powerful marketing tips that may spark out right perfectly for your business. Remember to let your business shine brightly in this gloomy pandemic, and marketing may be just your right key to fit in the condition. Hi guys, this is Bernard here, an offline business owner, an online entrepreneur, and a person who is passionate about sales and marketing. Let's join in our marketeer's journey and make your business raw. So, are you a business owner? Are you an employee worrying about your next payroll from your boss for the next month? Is your business struggling badly during this COVID-19 pandemic? We hear you, and you are not alone. According to one article produced by the Harvard Business Review dated in 2010, they have studied 4,700 biggest companies during the past few great recessions. The results were ironic and crude. In their research, 17%, which means about 1 out of 5 businesses, did not survive a recession. They went bankrupt, were bought over, or has been privatized after that. To recover from this damage, the survivors were painfully slow. Even 3 years after the recession, about 80% of them, which is 4 out of 5 businesses, had not yet recovered their pre-recession growth rates for both sales and profit for the business. Currently, by the end of that time, 40% of them, after years, had not returned to their final pre-recession sales and profit levels. Just a small tiny fractions of companies, approximately 9% of the sample, which is out of 10 business, flourish after a recession by doing better on critical financial metrics than they had before it, outperforming rivals in their industry by at least 10% in terms of revenue and profits development. These are the survival companies which have done differently and react different during this recession. In short, the majority of big and small businesses, regardless in what sector, will generally be tumbled down after an economic downturn. So although we may see the US S&P is still soaring high at a new time high now, we couldn't deny that in actual fact the pandemic's impact has hit many sectors badly. Perhaps some of you who owns a small, medium-sized business is now experiencing one of your toughest times in your business journey in the past. However, when I'm searching for a solution for this, I also had a surprising finding. Some of the biggest companies out there, such as P&G, Amazon, Unilever, Coca-Cola, Nestle, etc., has gradually increased their marketing spending, especially on the digital platform, starting from the end of the year 2020. This confirms that to survive better, we ought to predict the movement of these big players. What may still be unknown to many is how easy it can be for kickstarting useful marketing plans for your business. Any beginner could just produce an excellent outcome once you master essential marketing skills. Yes, I know some of you may start thinking now, wondering how can we fight off these top players in industry where there are billions to spend on marketing expenses. But how about thinking of just outperforming 3 or 4 of your local strong competitors? You are actually getting a high advantage in grabbing your market niche from other hands. This is definitely an exciting era. With the rise of digital marketing in the past 10 years, the better you understand the game rules, the earlier you implement them, the louder your business voice will be in your market niche. It is no longer an option for you to choose, but this is a must move for your business to catch on in future. We believe many conventional small, medium offline businesses that do not pay enough attention to the digital platform's growth will slowly be wiped out. This is how I view for today's digital world. The business world is evolving in bullet speed, and so must we. I promise you one thing, my friends. No matter what you are doing currently, no matter what your business is, the one thing that combines all of us, whether you are just a fresh employee, whether you are running a huge multi-million-dollar businesses, the one requirement for all of us is to have somebody's attention. This is important. Grabbing someone's attention even before you have something to sell. Your unique content created in any form of the written word, audio, or video becomes the variable factor. This is how you make attention. It is all about marketing. So remember, I'll repeat this again. grabbing attention is about marketing. Ignoring online marketing is like opening a business but putting a close sign in front of your shop. You may wonder now that, is marketing really that important as what this guy is saying now? I believe that you may realize that the immediate attention now is the war of capturing a person's eyes and ears, which is the screen of your mobile devices and the screen of your laptop or your PC or your iPad. Of course, we can still carry out conventional marketing promotion activities such as discount sales, advertising on printed billboards, and product promotion. However, marking your branding existence in the digital platform has never been so crucial compared to before. This thing is unbelievably underestimated. We often taking things in our business for granted. We felt that our business can still be growing in how we are doing business in the past 20 years. In fact, the power of a smartphone in today's world is simply remarkable and marvelous. Thinking of this, every one of us, including you, who are watching this video through your phone screen now, owning the power to access the internet and get engaged instantly right on our hands now is actually a miracle if you tell you yourself 15 years back. As one of the people who is benefiting most from this digital evolution, we have to understand how a big deal is in, how quick the evolution of communication is happening in the world. Whether it is WhatsApp, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, WordPress, web pages, and your phone apps, and etc. These platforms are readily available on the device and accessible right now. It shows us the potential of reaching out to existing and future clients specifically, regardless of whether you are running an offline or online businesses. Very soon, which may happen even quicker than we thought, I believe that there will be no distinct differentiation between offline and online, where both business platforms can be seamlessly integrated among each other. In Malaysia, where I'm currently located now, our government is continuing the second movement control order to curb the COVID-19 pandemic. Results is not good, and many business sectors will receive another significant impact due to this. However, despite the effects caused by COVID last year, we have observed substantial growth in a few sectors, especially in IT, healthcare, glove manufacturers, and a lot of online e-commerce market platform. Suppose if your business is not directly under this COVID beneficial list, your brand message must reach out even louder to the consumers in this tough situation. Take a pause and imagine, what if you have a strong, engaging followers for your business brand in your own business Instagram account? Let's think about what if you have a group of routine subscribers on your business YouTube channel, following every single advice and content updates producing from your company. Let's figure out what is the impact when you have a massive pool of close group members in your Facebook community. Or how about your business have your very own loyal listeners to your voice in a podcast on every day's upload? These are all golden opportunities where your marketing strategies can create valuable content and value to your potential customers and clients. And according to the famous book Tribes, and one of my personal favorite marketing author, Seth Godin, the market needs you. We need you. And the tools are there, just waiting. All that is missing is you and your vision and your passion. Do not think that only top Fortune 500 companies can do all this. As long as you have a Wi-Fi connection, a phone, a laptop, a camera, you can jumpstart quickly on your marketing journey regardless of your business size. This is just a start. Today's videos is just merely scratching on the surface to increase the awareness of the importance of marketing for any kinds of business. We shall share more juice in practical tips on incorporating marketing elements directly into your daily, every single business transactions and decision. I promise you, and this awareness can be the one secret magic to save your business, just as what we promised at the beginning of this video. It will be something fun, highly possible to achieve, yet it requires consistent commitment from you all. I look forward to have more sharing on these channels. We can form our own personal tribes, exchange the latest marketing ideas and views, and benefiting from each other. Stay safe and take care, no matter who you are out there. Please remember to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and like the video if you find it is interesting. I promise I will produce a video constantly on a weekly basis and welcome any constructive comments below for us to engage better. Stay tuned and stay safe.